The broadcast system allows you to send and receive messages to any component you want inside of Unity without having to have direct knowledge of them. So there's a public channel, which this image listens to, and we can type things like fade out or fade in, and this one will respond to it. The left image is on its own named channel, so we have to say image 1, and then we can do rotate 0035. In or outside of quotes is fine. Image 1, color, pound FD9D00. We can also do it with 255, so we could do image 1, color, 255, 0, 255. Or we could do it with 0 to 1, so we can do image 1, color, 0, 0, 0.2 or 4. We can inactivate it, and it will respond to messages even when it's inactive, because that is separate from Unity's active inactive. So if I send image 1, color, FFF, and then set it to be active again, image 1, active true, you'll see that the command was honored even though it wasn't visible. Now, pardon. Now this is done by adding a interface to your object. So if we look at this guy right here, it has broadcast receiver, and to do that you have to have these two methods, whether you use them or not. Another way to do it, if you're not a coder or you don't want to add code, is you can add these tiny broadcast receivers, which will respond as you say. So this one responds to the public channel. So if I say toggle, it will deactivate, and this one responds to a named channel. So if I put the name, which is secret, and the message, which is toggle, it turns back on. And that just exposes events to you that you can subscribe to. The broadcast terminal is a built-in prefab that you can put in. You can modify the UI however you like. You can create your own custom one as well. And all that does is subscribe to all messages, which is another thing that you can do inside of code. Thank you.